Welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. This time we're looking at a filament from the folks at Sunlu. It is very well packaged. I mean, they send it to you in a shrink wrap package. It is, even they sent a clip with it to keep the filament on there. It is PLA filament, but that's what I predominantly use, and it's easy to get on and off. The prints I've seen from it are nothing to be shabby about, and if with anything, you can spend as much as you want to on the filament, but sometimes you don't have to. I think this is one of those diamonds in the rough that may just be what can help keep your 3D printing operation from having to go on the hunt for untold riches. But this is something that I think you'll be very happy with, and give it a shot. I think it might just fit the bill for you.